Hello, stock market learners and serious market participants. You'll be very excited about this video. While I'm doing my morning walk, I wanted to share this tremendous dose of positive energy with all of you. We have launched an incredible output in StockEdge, which will give you true power of finding stocks. Although whatever we have done till date in StockEdge for so many years, it has been for empowering you. But with every new release, we are refining those empowerment. We are sharpening the knife so that you truly become empowered financial market participant. So let me show you what we have launched yesterday. If you go to StockEdge, in my StockEdge, you see something called My Custom Stand, which has been added. If you're an Android user, please use it. Apple, we have already applied for the app upgrade. It will take probably 1 or 2 more days. What you see here is a interface like a My Combination Scan. Now let me show you My Combination Scan first. This was My Combination Scan. You see, in this My Combination Scan, the innovation which we bought many years ago was you can create combination of multiple predefined scans. So say for example this one, Momentum Champ. These are predefined scans which you can add and you get the stocks which are satisfying all the conditions of predefined scans. Now in this customized scan, you can actually create your own scan parameters. You don't have to rely on predefined scans, okay, number one. Number two, you can actually add a couple of predefined scans also inside this so that you create a hybrid scan engine which can have your parameter as well as parameters which we have already created and more than 500 library of predefined scans. So how does it work? Let's go to the stock scan, custom scan, good stock showing strength. Let's go inside this and let's see the parameters which I've given. So there's something called custom query where you can write the queries now, and this is so easy. It's like a butter. If once you know how to use it, it's very, very easy. So you can write your query. Like I've written one query here. The other query is the relative strength. The third query is RSI. The fourth query is market cap greater than 1,000 crore. Okay. You can write multiple queries. Also, what you can do is you can add predefined scans. Say for example, I only want stocks where net profit growth, EBITDA growth is high. Perfect. Let me close it. Now you see, beautiful. You have a hybrid model where you have custom queries and ready-made scans also available. Now if you look at the stock names, these are the stocks which are of interest. Now let's go into this one of these stocks and see what is my momentum score suggesting. Now this is also new thing which we have added. You see all the momentum score. I mean, this is the innovation which we gave to you. The traffic light, the green, yellow and red, the same is now plotted in the chart, a chart. So this stock, which has fundamental reason to be strong, and there is a price action which is justifying the strength, and the momentum score is also giving me similar kind of a view. So obviously from a momentum investing perspective, this is a great stock and I should look at it from a position building perspective. Now how to build a position, what should be the stop loss, what should be money management, how to scale up your position, all these are science of tech analysis which one needs to understand before trading. But at least our first stage of identifying stock has become very, very easy now. The second stage is how to build things around your framework, and the third stage is trading, which is putting stop loss and take profit. So I think with these two value additions, we have done incredible work in empowering you. Now the choice is yours, whether you want to get empowered or you just want tip providers, Telegram people, TV personalities to keep on giving noise in your life. The choice is yours. I suggest download StockEdge, start using now and become a serious market professional. Thank you. Have a great day.